Hey guys, let's finish making mold for that table so we can pour the epoxy. And just cutting the side pieces down to length. Should fit. Yeah, sexy. Perfect. Alright, let's put them. Let's get this tacked on and seal them up some caulk. What do you say? Make sure everything's all using melamine. I still wrap it in the tuck tape, sheeting tape, called the waterproof. I tape it and I caulk it. You don't want all that epoxy running down your table. Epoxy's not cheap. First things first, boys. Eyes, ears, and lungs. Make sure to turn the dust collector on first. Yep. Now ideally we want the sidewalls to be an inch taller than your finishing thickness. As you'll see a little bit here, I could have used another 1/4 inch. I don't know what I was thinking, but baby, we're gonna roll with it. Let me just take a moment to say I love the break on the Milwaukee table saw. Just for transparency, a lot of these parts have been reused. That's why you don't see me tape them up. They're still taped up from last time I used them. So melamine, tuck tape. Don't forget to caulk your seams. It should come apart. Oh, mold release also. I do everything, all 9 yards. Then you don't gotta destroy your mold when you're done. You can use it again on the next one. The cheese sandwich was required of me. My apologies. Now y'all gotta take a moment and recognize how sexy that mallet looks on my hip. And here I'm just gonna use a couple clamps to hold it tight while I'm fastening it in place. Nothing too fancy. No, you just want to make sure you get a good seal. Again, you don't want epoxy pouring out on the floor. I decided to stage everything up on 2 bar clamps. And remember how I told you earlier that I could have did with a little more, like another 1/4 inch or so in depth. Yeah, this is me coming to that realization. But still leaves me with like 1/4 inch clearance. So I mean, ideally, if this was you, I would leave more so you, when you are demolding it, you've got a little bit more of a lip you can grab onto. You can whack it with a mallet. You got something to hit. I'm gonna roll with it. It'll be alright. It'll be alright. It's fine. It's fine. Everything is fine. Here I'm loading up the Milwaukee M18 crown stapler. Some 1.5 inch staples. Well, let's check for square. Or y'all doubted me. making sure I get the corners pinned in right at 1" depth. Then we will tack metal. Rinse, repeat. Easy. This just reminds me how badly I need an assembly table separate from my outfeed table. So the clamp honors shall go nowhere, and I'm gonna attach the sidewalls. Everything is pre-taped here. Make sure you're attaching into the sidewalls as well as the bottom. I'm putting 2 on the sides and then 4 across the bottoms. Here I'm taking care to even those top edges up first. I wound up wrapping the outside edges in tuck tape when everything was said and done anyways, just in case. I'd rather burn a roll of tape than epoxy pour. A minor leak like that, if you can't get it to stop, can turn into a very big expense very quickly. And we all know this is already an expensive hobby, plus the epoxy stuff. Make sure to be prepared for a leak in case we got one. Caulk, tape. Rather have it, not need it, than need it, not have it. There's a screw in it, it's near me. But anything siliconized. Make sure to do the uprights in the corners. It doesn't have to be pretty. Matter of fact, I'm gonna come back here with a glove and just kind of smear it in there. You don't want it to protrude too far and like lift the board up. Keep the board from sitting all the way down. If you've enjoyed this content, you want to see more, click that like, subscribe, follow along for the rest of the build. More to come. Thanks for watching, guys. Much love. Yeah, what he said. Getting there. Don't give up.